like one group of 5, or 2 groups of 5, or 3 groups of 5. I wanted to just look at what that would look like. So I drew something up for us to focus on. So can somebody raise their hand and talk to me about how many fingers would be on one hand? Hopefully you guys, your hands should be up because you can look at your own hand. How many fingers are on one hand? Victor?
5.
5. Excellent. How many fingers are on 2 hands? Can someone raise their hand and tell me? Mateo? 10. How many fingers are on 3 hands? Rebecca?
15.
How do you know that? Nice. How many fingers would be on a group of 4 hands? Let's just say. Tanner?
20.
Okay, let's see. Can you raise both your hands in the air? Can you raise both your hands in the air? These are 4 hands. Everyone else needs their hands down. Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20. Are we right?
Yeah.
How many fingers would be on 5 hands? Kaden,
25.
how did you know?
Because I counted it in my head.
What do you mean?
Like, I counted in my hand and I know.
So did you, okay, so let's just see if you're right.
I did 5, 10, 15, 20, 25.
Oh, that makes so much more sense. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Are we noticing a pattern? I don't know. Are we noticing a pattern?
Yeah.
Shake your head if you think you're noticing a pattern. Okay, let's see. How many fingers would be on a group of 6 hands? Kennedy?
30.
30. Why do you say 30?
Because I count like this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30.
Nice. You're pretty much an expert at counting by 5s, I can tell. How many fingers would be on a group of 7 hands? Matthew?
35.
Why do you say that?
Because it goes 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35.
Oh, nice. So I just wanted to kind of go through and see if we could figure out if there was a pattern or not. Notice how many fingers are on groups of hands. How do you guys feel like the lesson went today? Can I just have a thumbs up if you feel like you mastered it? Did you think you reached the target? Can you combine things that come in groups of 5 and 10? I want a thumbs up if you think you can do that. Thumbs to the side if you think you still need some work. Show me. Nice. Okay. I have information that I need to know. So, luckily, we get to begin the lineup for recess. There's a few of us that need to stay in here because they weren't able to finish the first front side of their math. So, I don't think I really need to tell those people who they are. I'm going to trust that you guys are being honest, and if you didn't finish that first front side, I know who you are. I don't want to have to talk to you about it, but can you please just go get your books and start working on it? Other than that, can the red team line up, please? So I don't need you guys to tell me what you did and didn't do. Those of you who didn't finish are just going to go and get it. Like the first page.
Not the challenge.
Not the challenge.
Only the first page.
Can you guys just look at the red team? Look at how quietly they're standing in line. Mm-hmm. Can the blue team line up for recess, please? And if you need to go and do your math, I would go get it now. your math, you need to do that right now. So there's two girls that just got up and got in line that need to do their math.
We already finished the front side.
So you need, can you go get it out for me? The yellow team can go ahead and line up. And the pink team can line up. Sure. You didn't write a sentence for this one.
Didn't really. No, I did.
Where? Oh, in the midst of all of this chaos? Okay. Let me see this one. There are 4 fingers. Ducky ducky.